this video, I will show you how to successfully buy and make payment on 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agents. So let's begin. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial. So without being said, so let's have a tutorial and see step by step on how to successfully buy and make payment or to any Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to buy on 1688. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on open up your 1688 app right here. After you open up your 1688 app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how to add an item to cart step by step. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on your cart right here. Alright, so all the items right here are the ones I'm going to purchase straight up using 1688. These are different supplier, different quantity and different sizes as they like. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select all the items. So having selected all the items, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then you can scroll down right here and check the preview of all the item you want to purchase before you proceed to payment. Once you're satisfied with everything, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm paying the sum of 778.25 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm the payment, then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So you can see payment done successful. So we are able to purchase from different 11 supplier at the price of 778.25 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon right here to access my profile. So I'm getting to my profile. All the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see all the item we just purchased using 1688 from different supplier. So this is how to buy from different supplier, different sizes and the likes using 1688 import from China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.